Imagine stepping into a tunnel in space and emerging light years away in just seconds. It sounds like pure science fiction, right? But this mind-bending idea has a real name: wormholes. Wormholes, also known as Einstein-Rosen bridges, are theoretical tunnels connecting two distant points in space-time. If they exist, they could act as cosmic shortcuts, making interstellar travel possible in ways we can barely imagine. Instead of taking thousands of years to cross the galaxy, a wormhole could take you there instantly. The idea comes directly from Einstein's theory of general relativity. Space and time are not rigid. They bend, twist, and curve under the influence of gravity. According to the math, this curvature could, in theory, fold in on itself and create a tunnel-like passage. But here's the catch. No one has ever actually found a wormhole. They remain mathematical predictions, not physical discoveries. Even if they do exist, keeping them stable and open long enough for travel may require something strange: exotic matter with negative energy. This isn't the kind of matter we see around us every day. It's purely hypothetical. But if it exists, it could stop a wormhole from collapsing instantly. Without it, the tunnel would close before light, or a spaceship could pass through. Science fiction has long loved the idea of wormholes. From Interstellar to Star Trek, wormholes are portrayed as cosmic highways. But in reality, things might be much more complicated. They could be unstable, extremely dangerous, or impossible to enter without being torn apart by extreme gravitational forces. Even if we found a wormhole, stepping inside raises more questions. Where would it lead? Another part of our galaxy? A completely different universe? Or perhaps into a deadly trap where survival is impossible? Some physicists suggest that wormholes might already exist on a tiny scale. At the quantum level, there could be fleeting microscopic wormholes forming and disappearing constantly. If true, the universe might already be filled with these invisible space-time tunnels. But scaling them up for interstellar travel is an entirely different challenge. One of the most fascinating aspects of wormholes is their link to time travel. If one end of a wormhole moves differently through time than the other, stepping through could send you into the future or even the past. This opens the door to endless paradoxes. Could you meet your younger self? Could you change history? Or would the universe somehow prevent paradoxes from ever happening? These questions remain unanswered and perhaps unanswerable until we know more. The truth is, wormholes sit at the very edge of human understanding. They are possibilities written into the equations of relativity, but we don't yet know if the universe allows them to exist in reality. And yet, wormholes spark something powerful: our imagination. They force us to think beyond the ordinary, to wonder about the nature of space, time, and reality itself. They may remain forever in the realm of science fiction, or one day they could become the key to reaching distant stars, exploring other galaxies, or even unlocking the secrets of time. For now, wormholes remain one of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. Are they real cosmic shortcuts, or just dreams of science fiction? The search for answers continues, pushing science to its limits and reminding us that the universe is far stranger and more mysterious than we can ever imagine.